stocks in the database that has a buy rating and 2,397 with a sell rating, showing the improvement that we've had over the last 5 trading days. Our MTI, or the market timing indicator, is cast on the 0 to 2 scale. It combines the trends of price, relative timing, and the buy to sell ratio. On the scale of 0 to 2, below 1, the underlying trend of the market is down. However, we are seeing improvement in the MTI as well. With the MTI being below 1, the second component of the trend column does reflect the down, so we are in an up-down situation. Our slowest, most conservative timing signal, the confirm call, remains in the confirm down. Moving to the graphs tab to better see the trend, we start with a 1-year look back of the market. Price is reflected in candlesticks here above, and our market timing indicators are below. Moving us to a 3-month period, you can see we're trying to determine if we've established a bottom here on the market. Looking at the buy to sell ratio, when this gets down to a level of 0.20 or lower, it's showing that the market is searching for a bottom. We don't know how long it will last, but we are seeing improvement in the buy to sell ratio. On the MTI, the market timing indicator, showing oversold situation when it gets below the level of 0.60, which it got down to a level of 0.48 on the 24th, and we're seeing an improvement with these last 3 days of bullish movement of the market. Adding the signal to the graph of the primary wave, our fastest, most aggressive trend indicator. We've had this now our second day in a row, and also we have our green light buyer giving us the signal today, which is also an aggressive signal. Under the graph layout, next we'll choose the GLB RT kicker. This incorporates not only the green light in the price column, but incorporates moving averages of relative timing. So when we add this signal to the graph, it shows that we're still in a neutral position. We earn the green in the price column, but our momentum indicators, the 10 and the 15-day moving average of relative timing, are not confirming this. The 10 is at a level of 0.84 and the 15-day is at 0.86. We need the 10 to go above the 15-day and a green light in the price column for the kicker. Our next layout is the Enhanced Pro Trader timing. This signal is referred to as the DEW or the DEW. We are in a DEW down signal. The D refers to the detrended price oscillator. Below 0 is a bearish indication, which we are, but with price action, we are seeing an improvement of the DPO. The E refers to the envelopes, which are above and below the VectorVest composite price, showing the normal range of trading. The E refers to the 30-day weighted moving average of price. For us to get a reversal of this signal, we need price to close above the 30-day weighted moving average and the DPO to cross back over the oscillating line of 0 into positive territory. Below we have an enhancement to this graph layout by adding the MACD. The MACD line has now moved above the signal line and the histogram is positive. The histogram measures the distance between the two, so we see this crossover from negative to positive on the crossover. And now to the views for our guidance for tomorrow. We start with the timing section with our market timing indicators and their movements today. In our strategy, Wall Street closed higher today as China trade war fears subsided. With one green light and an up-down situation, prudent investors may buy stocks long. If the market is rising, aggressive investors and traders should play the market as it develops with a bias to the upside. Below we have our 1 and 5-day Derby winners. They are all bullish strategies, and we're seeing a lot of bottom fishing strategies here in the list. With a big move today with jailbreak no contra ETFs. And now for our all subscriber portfolio challenge update, we'll click the link. In first place, 650, still holding the lead with an overall gain of 101.65. Second place, number 273 at 65.57. And number 3, 298 with 57.85. The icons to the right will give the details of the trading plan, transactions, and the trading system. Our headline news for tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. we have the employment situation along with international trade. At 10 o'clock a.m. factory orders, and at 1 o'clock p.m. we have the Baker Hughes rig count. This brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you for joining us. We hope you'll join us back again tomorrow for Timing the Market and our special presentation.